Little Blue Trucks, Springtime, written by Alice Schertle, illustrated by Jill McEmery. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with his good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo sheep beep beep, what's new? It's a little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Bah! Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? And yoo-hoo cow, just munching corn. Yoo-hoo little calf, just born. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo piglets, 1 to 10. Oink, 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 oink. Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crickety crack, everyone shout, yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing and frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. All done. Little Blue Trucks, Springtime.